Hello. Since I can remember, I have been fascinated by a certain thing. A device that supplies itself with enough energy to stay in operation for an unlimited period of time. Of course, I'm talking about the perpetuum mobile. But on our planet, this will be a dream forever. We can only try to get as close as possible to this phenomenon. So today I would like to introduce you to my new project. I call it SolarSphere, version 3.0. First of all, this construction serves only as a demonstration object. This device cannot supply external consumers with electrical energy. Alright, here we go. The outstanding features of this SolarSphere are an almost wear-free, noiseless and aesthetic rotation. Day and night. The geometric shape of the SolarSphere is called Rhombenkuboktaeder. It consists of 6 individually milled aluminum rings which are fitted precisely into each other. Neodymium magnets are attached to the rings. 1 magnet per ring. As you can see, we can divide the sphere into 2 sides. The magnets on the right-hand side are registered by the Hall sensor. As soon as the Hall sensor detects a magnet, it controls the coil via an amplifier stage. The coil generates a magnetic field and pushes the incoming magnet of the left side in the direction of rotation. Then the coil switches off until the next magnet is detected by the Hall sensor. This process is repeated 3 times per rotation. The sphere rotates 41 times per minute. By the way, the SolarSphere does not start automatically. To start the system, it needs a one-time push. The rotation of the sphere is supported by 2 balancing rings. The screws you see there are used as weights. At the beginning I used the word "we're free". Have you noticed that the sphere is floating? That's because there are 4 magnets in the substructure and on the shaft of the sphere are 6 of them. The magnets are repelling each other. That's why the sphere is able to float. The only contact between sphere and substructure is here. Because of the use of a ceramic ball and a sapphire glass, the wear is almost zero. The next important point in this construction is the solar cell. The solar cell charges a battery that is built into the substructure. The battery supplies the entire system with energy. This includes Hall sensor, coil, indicator light and night lighting. 1 hour of sunlight is enough to rotate the SolarSphere for 2.5 days. Alright guys, thank you very much for your attention. And finally, lean back and enjoy a few more impressions of my very personal Rhombenkuboktaeder.